So the iPhone 16 is out, of course. If you have one, you may have gotten the case already. If you didn't get one as of yet and you're going to be getting one, then you should have a case. You should have a case that's ready, just ready to go, ready to put on it. So we've already looked at one iPhone case, which is the case, honestly, probably the case that I will use majority of the time, but I do like switching cases on occasion just to see what other cases are like. Cheers, bubbly, some bubbly water. And Casekoo is nice enough to send us some of their iPhone 16 series cases. I think based on what they are, I think it's possibly like one main case just with, yeah, so matte pro, clear, MagSafe stand. I have a feeling, I don't even, oh yeah, magic stand. Is that what I got? Magic stand, that one right there. So this one has a clear lens stand, whereas this has a magic stand. So this one's going to be coming out where the MagSafe is. Same, I would think, like this one here, and this one. I don't know why they don't call them that on there. Maybe just because these are matte and these are clear. Anyways, clear lens set. This is, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. This is the one we got right here. Shop now. Let's take a gander, shall we? Anyways, 33 bucks. That's pretty good, especially if you're going to go to an Apple store and they're going to sell you one of their cases for more than that. It looks like they're sold out of a lot of ones. You have the clear and you have, oh, deep blue is kind of nice. There was a gold and a black, but anyway, clear. Not sure if I got clear. I'm hoping I got clear because I did get the white iPhone. And if we just change this to the Pro, not the, well, yeah, so it looks like it's sold out a lot. Anyways, 28 reviews, 4.7 stars. You know, you got to be happy with that. That's good reviews, right? Why does clear case turn yellow? 90% is dirt, 10% is natural. It says after a certain period of time, the deterioration of materials will lead to the product turning yellow. Now, I don't think that they're saying that this case, oh, it does. Clear lock, no, yellowing technology. I was like, maybe they're saying, hey, they turn yellow. That is what it is. It says to solve this concern, to prolong the lifetime of the case, we developed the clear lock anti-yellow technology. Huh. That's excellent. There's a little video here. You guys can watch it. I don't think I'm gonna, maybe I'll put it up here. Should I? We'll see. We'll see. So, yeah, this shouldn't yellow, which is kind of nice, and MagSafe wireless charging compatible. Sweet. Now I don't have my iPhone 16 yet. I'm still waiting. Ordered it day that you could order, pre-order. Yep, I did that. I got up, did it. Still waiting. Oh yeah. Anyways, Casekoo magic stand. Yes. I figured I'd put these out there because, you know, it can't be June of next year and I still haven't shown these cases because that would be wrong. But anyways, here we go. We got a 360 rotatable stand, it says. A Hellbatch array magnet certified military protection. You guys can see that somewhere right there. Yes, sir. Casekoo core technology. They give you stickers. Isn't that cute? Oh, that is cute. I'm not gonna say I don't like stickers. I do like stickers. They need more skulls. Ooh, that's nice. It's like a frosted mat. Yes? It's like a frost. Where are you? See that? It's like a frosted mat. One of you is gonna see this, right? Yes, right there. I like that. But no, it is. I was like, oh, they didn't have a big cutout. You'll notice they didn't cut a full square out, right? It's not a full square. They just actually added a notch, which in theory should mean that it would possibly have even more protection because there's less chance of something hitting here and then hitting the lens on the side because of that. Okay, I'm down. Does have, of course, as you can see, does have the new camera notch right there. And unlike the iPhone 14, which I have, this normally would be a switch, but this is now a button because it is what it is. My curiosity says, will it go? Like, how different was the 14 from the 16, right? My guess is, well, it goes lots because the camera, see that? See how the cameras, they don't work, because if they did, we'd be close, but still, yes? See that? Right? You guys see it up there? Where are we? Back here somewhere? Right there? Right? It's just not, they're not lined up. Not lined up, because that's a 14. It's purple, which is lovely. Yes? That's going back in here. Yep. But yeah, and then this is what's the keeper of the cheese right here. Yes? Ready? I'm trying to get this in a good spot for you right there. Pow. I like that they get a little cutout there, just easy to get that. That's sweet. That is nice, right? Because then you got a little kickstand for watching, and you can put it either that way, yes, or that way. Or if you're really bored, you could have it that way. Just why not? You know, these are cool too, because if you're ever taking pictures, I'm guessing with this button up here, you could actually get a really nice hold and do like inverted shots, right? It's like this, because you got this little thing to hold on to take pictures, right? Because you can't do that up here, holding it to get low shots, right? And now you have this guy, this button that'll be there. It's not here now because I don't have a phone. I'm still waiting. If the doorbell rings, guaranteed I'm leaving. I'm heading up there, right? So, like, oh, that spins. I'm not sure it's supposed to spin, but it, right? Yeah, no, it's supposed to spin. Of course it's supposed to spin. You open it, right? And you could spin it that way. It has little lock points. Right? Depending on how you... Okay, I'm down, because the lock point stops it from bending any further. Yes? Oh yeah, that's nice. I'll keep that one for sure. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. This is the Casekoo Megs. Now, ask me in a year if this is still clear like this, or if it's yellow. You ask me, I'll let you know. Put a comment. I'll see if I can remember. So... that's all. I'll put links to Casekoo's website. And thanks to them for sending me a case. They got it here plenty early. If my phone would have got here on time, they would have had a case here waiting for it. But Apple failed. DHL failed. Somebody failed. I don't know who. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. Any of you guys get a new iPhone? Or what phone are you waiting for? Maybe it's going to be awesomer, I guess, possibly. All right, guys, I'm out. Casekoo, if you want to check them out, the link's below, and we'll see you guys next video. Later.